Stop blaming your height. Your clothes are the real reason you look shorter. Most women over 50 are making the same 6 subtle style mistakes without even realizing it. In this video, I'll show you exactly what they are and how to fix them instantly. And stay with me because the final tip is the easiest one, but it changes everything. Let's start with one of the most common mistakes I see, and it's so easy to overlook. If your outfit visually cuts your body straight across the middle, you're creating a harsh, horizontal line that instantly makes you look shorter. Think about a top that ends right at your hips paired with pants, or a skirt in a completely different color. That 50-50 split breaks up your vertical line, and instead of elongating your frame, it compresses it. What works better is shifting your proportions, so your body is visually divided into thirds instead of halves. A really simple way to do this is by choosing high-waisted trousers or jeans and either tucking in your top or doing a soft front tuck. This raises your waistline visually and makes your legs look longer right away. You can also lean into tonal dressing, keeping your top and bottom in similar shades to avoid that harsh break in the middle. Even something as small as matching your shoes to your pants can extend that line downward beautifully. For example, instead of a hip-length blouse with contrasting cropped pants, try a pair of high-waisted, straight-leg trousers with a slightly shorter or tucked-in blouse. Add a pointed-toe shoe in a similar color to your pants, and suddenly your legs look longer. It's not about changing your whole wardrobe, it's about making these small, intentional adjustments that create a longer, more elegant silhouette. Alright, moving on to another big one, and I know this is tempting because comfort is everything. Oversized pieces are everywhere right now. And yes, they can look incredibly chic. But when everything you're wearing is loose and oversized, your frame gets completely lost underneath all that fabric. Instead of looking effortlessly stylish, it can actually make you appear smaller, shorter, and a bit overwhelmed by your clothes. The key here is balance. If you love an oversized sweater, pair it with something more fitted on the bottom, like slim-cut jeans. A great outfit idea here would be an oversized knit paired with straight-leg ankle jeans and a pointed flat or low heel. Keep the color palette cohesive. Neutrals or monochrome tones work beautifully to avoid visual clutter. And if you want a little extra polish, try a half tuck or add a structured handbag to bring some definition back in. Also, I've added links of good products in the description box below to help you find pieces that strike that perfect balance between comfort and structure. Next, let's talk about something I see all the time, and it's one of those quiet style mistakes that can really impact how tall and polished you look. Unstructured, shapeless clothing might feel easy and forgiving, but when there's no definition at all, your body loses its natural lines. Instead of creating length, these pieces tend to hang straight down, which can make your silhouette look shorter and less refined. What you want to do instead is introduce just a hint of structure, nothing stiff or uncomfortable, just enough to guide the eye vertically. This could be as simple as choosing tops with a slight taper at the waist, adding a soft belt, or opting for jackets that have subtle shaping. Even fabrics make a difference here. Materials that drape nicely instead of just hanging can instantly elevate your look. And don't underestimate the power of a good shoe choice. A low vamp heel or a pointed flat can extend your leg line beautifully. A great example would be swapping out a completely boxy tunic for a softly tailored blouse paired with straight leg pants. Add a lightweight open front blazer that creates vertical lines down the body, and finish with a nude or shoe-to-pant matching heel. Keep your colors cohesive so the eye flows smoothly from top to bottom. These little tweaks bring back shape and length without sacrificing comfort. Now let's move into hemlines, because where your clothes hit your body makes a huge difference in how tall you appear. The tricky thing with minis, middies, and boxy cuts is that they can cut your leg line at the widest or most awkward point. Midi skirts that land mid-calf, for example, can visually shorten your legs, while overly boxy cuts can make your entire silhouette look compact and squared off. The goal here is to be a little more intentional with where your hems fall. For skirts and dresses, hitting just above the knee or slightly below it tends to be the most flattering for elongation. If you love a midi, go for one with a slit or a more streamlined shape so it doesn't feel heavy. And when it comes to pants, ankle-length styles that show a bit of skin or that meet the top of your shoe cleanly can make a big difference. Pairing these with a pointed toe shoe or a heel in a similar tone to your skin or pants helps continue that vertical line. For instance, instead of a bulky midi skirt with ankle straps, try a sleek, knee-length pencil skirt with a simple pump or pointed flat. Or go for a longer straight-cut dress with a subtle slit and minimal color contrast. These choices keep your lines clean and elongated. Now I'm curious, what hemlines have you found the most flattering for your height? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Now let's get into something that can completely transform how tall and polished you look, and it's probably already in your closet. If your outfits aren't defining your waist in any way, your proportions can start to look a little compressed. When the waist disappears, your torso and legs visually blend into one block, which shortens your overall silhouette more than you might realize. The good news is, this is one of the easiest things to fix. You don't need anything tight or restrictive, you just need a subtle sense of placement. Think high-waisted pants, wrap dresses, or tops that naturally taper in slightly at the waist. Even a simple front tuck or adding a belt can instantly lift your proportions and create the illusion of longer legs. Another thing I always recommend is being mindful of where your tops end. If they hit right at the widest part of your hips, they can undo all that length you're trying to create. Instead, go for slightly cropped jackets or tops you can adjust, like a button-down you can knot or tuck. Layering also helps here. An open cardigan or blazer creates two vertical lines down the front of your body, which naturally elongates your frame while still giving you that comfortable coverage. A beautiful outfit idea would be a pair of high-waisted tailored trousers with a soft blouse tucked in, finished with a slim belt and a pointed toe heel. Add a structured blazer worn open and keep your colors in the same family for that seamless look. It's elegant, it's effortless, and it instantly gives you that longer, leaner silhouette without trying too hard. Now, if you think that's a game changer, wait until you see this next one. Because even if your proportions are perfect, the feel of your outfit can still be working against you. And this is something so many women overlook. Let's talk about stiffness, because this one is subtle, but it can really age and shorten your look if you're not careful. When your outfit is made up of heavy, rigid, or overly structured pieces from head to toe, it can weigh down your entire silhouette. Instead of creating movement and flow, everything feels a bit boxed in, and that lack of fluidity can make you appear shorter and less relaxed. What you want to aim for is a balance between structure and softness. The structure is great, it gives polish, but too much of it can feel harsh. Try mixing a structured piece, like a tailored blazer, with something softer underneath, like a drapey blouse or a knit top. Fabrics that move with you create vertical flow, and that movement naturally elongates your body. Even something as simple as choosing a softer pant fabric instead of a stiff one can make a noticeable difference. Let's not forget how your shoes play into this. A chunky, heavy shoe paired with stiff fabrics can visually ground your look too much, cutting off that length. Instead, opt for sleeker styles, like a low-profile loafer, a pointed flat, or a streamlined ankle boot. And again, keeping your shoe color aligned with your outfit helps maintain that uninterrupted line we're always going for. Add a delicate scarf for a bit of movement. It feels polished, but not rigid, and that's exactly the balance you want. You'll look taller, more elegant, and effortlessly put together. If you enjoyed this video, I think you're really going to love this next one, because I'll dive into a topic so many of us deal with daily. It's all about the 9 office outfit mistakes women over 40 should avoid. And it's packed with practical, easy fixes, just like these, that can instantly elevate your work style. If you want to look more polished, modern, and confident at the office without overthinking it, this is definitely one you don't want to miss.